Let's solve this equation x plus square root of x plus square root of x plus square root of x plus etc. equal to 60. Let's see in solving this in two different methods. Say, let's take the first method, method 1. We have the given equation x plus square root of this whole thing is equal to 60. So if I'm taking just the radical sign, x plus square root of 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 x, etc. That will be, if I pull that x to the other side, it is 16 minus x. Now squaring both sides. When I square both sides, I get x plus square root of x plus square root of x plus square root of x plus etc. equal to the 16 minus x the whole square. But we know that this is also 16, so I get 16 is equal to 16 minus x the whole square. When I expand the 16 minus x the whole square, I get (16), or in other words, this 16 minus x the whole squared is equal to 16. When I take the square root, my 16 minus x will be either plus 4 or negative 4. So when x is, this 16 minus x is 4, I get x equal to (16 minus 4), which is 12, or x is equal to 20. Now in this situation, if I have, suppose if x is equal to 20, then my right hand side, 16 minus x, the 16 minus x will be negative. Now since I have the square root of something, this cannot be negative, so this x equal to 0, 20 is not possible. But when I take x is equal to 12, 16 minus x will be positive. That may be the square root of a result. So the answer to this is x is equal to 12. This is one method of doing it. So suppose if I am trying to prove this using another method. Let's take method 2. For this, let's take the same equation, that is x plus square root of something. If I'm taking only the second term, which is x plus square root of x plus square root of x plus etc. If I take that as some variable, say y, the given equation will be since it is x plus, you'll have the given equation is x plus square root of x plus square root of x plus square root of x plus etc. The whole thing is y, and this is x plus y equal to y. I can also take this result. Since I have x plus square root of x plus square root of x plus equal to y, I can take the square of this instead of square both sides. So I'll get x plus square root of x plus square root of x plus etc. will be y squared. But this is x plus y, so my x plus y is equal to y squared. So from this I get a quadratic equation in y squared minus y minus x equal to 0. Solving for y, you get y equal to, using the quadratic formula, 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4x divided by 2. Now this square root of 1 plus 4x must be positive, so let us take the positive result, and y will be 1 plus square root of 1 plus 4x by 2. Now if I take the whole equation, the given equation is square root of x plus square root of x plus square root of x plus etc. equal to 16. So this x plus, this is my y equal to 16, and I got the value for y in terms of using the quadratic formula. So x plus, instead of y I use 1 plus square root of 1 plus 4x divided by 2 equal to 16. Multiplying throughout by 2, simplifying this, I'll get this as an equation. Square root of 1 plus 4x is 2 times 1632 minus 1 minus 2x, or square root of 1 plus 4x equal to 31 minus 2x. Squaring both sides, you get 1 plus 4x equal to 31 minus 2x the whole squared, or when I expand this, 961 a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Simplifying this equation, I get this to be 4x squared minus 128x plus 960 equal to 0, or dividing throughout by 4, I get x squared minus 32x plus 240 equal to 0. Factorizing this, I'll get x minus 12, x minus 20 equal to 0, or x equal to 12, or x equal to 20. The same way as in your previous case, this x equal to 20 is not possible, so your answer is x is equal to 12. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this was helpful. Please kindly subscribe this type of video so that I can upload more videos of this kind. Thank you.